Safety Toolbox Talk number 216. Ladder Setup. All ladders must be placed on firm ground. Do not set ladders on boxes, blocks, or other objects that might move. Do not lean or reach out while standing on ladders. Secure ladders whenever a danger of slippage might occur. Do not use ladders in high wind or during inclement weather conditions. Never set up ladders in front of or around doors, unless the door is posted or locked. Do not sit on ladders. Use safety shoes or other rubber sole shoes when climbing a ladder. Thank you.